Hey guys, and welcome to the first episode of the Christmas series 2020. It's the 1st of December, at least in Danish time it is. So, the first lock we are going to pick in this series is this Morris American 1100 clone with almost no sound when you opening it up. There you have the keyway and the bidding. 5 pins. So let us see if we can get it open. And I believe I can use the biggest top of the keyway. Yes. And I want to start with the smallest of my picks. That's in the way. And some focus. Very nice click on 4. And a little click there on 2 and open on 1. There you go. So that went quite easily. Let's lock it and got it. We can also get a bit of focus. And move the camera a bit so we can see. Man, that's a tiny screw. Okay, then it is I have to remember as you probably can see, I'm not really that much used to cutting American locks. Okay, like that. And the screw. And if we just can do that so nothing possibly falls out. No. It's too long time ago I have done this. Why don't they make these so they fit? Okay, it's on the way off, but that was not really the way I was thinking of getting it off. But there it is. Okay. Shim. Where's my tweezers? Oh, there they are. And a shim. Actually, do I have something that fits? I think that's the closest. Sorry about that. It have been a bit cold these last few days. And that's a typical thing for me every year at this point. I start sneezing. I don't usually get really sick or anything, but I always start sneezing at this time of year. Pins are that way, okay. Yay, so far so good. Oh no, oh no. Where do you belong? There. Okay. Very careful, because there is apparently wafers in it. And I do not want to lose them. There you go. If I lose them, that key won't work anymore. And I do not have replacement for these. I have to get it right the first time. Was that wafer from pin 1? No, that seems to be pin 2. Come on. Get in there. Yeah, that seems right. Pin 2. 3, 4, 5. Nothing seems to be done in there. Okay, what do we have? Where did it go? A wave in 1 and a standard pin. Another wafer in 2 with a spool. Why all these wafers? Spool in 3. This is gonna be fun to put back together. Come on. Standard in 5. Oh man, another wafer. And a spool. And just springs. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. If the camera just wanna stay standing. I hope you can see. And all of those wafers and 3 spools, one in chamber 2, 3 and 4. Now, I hope it's okay with you, but I'm gonna pause the camera and put this back together because I do not want to lose anything. And if I have to concentrate about the camera as well, I might lose one of those wafers. So I'll be back in a second and we will put the lock on the tree. Okay, I got it back together. And it still works. So I thought I could just as well do the last bit here while everybody sees it. The worst part was with all of the pins. Get in there. Now let's hope I have done this correctly. I think I have only taken apart 2 or 3 American locks. Do you even do anything here? So So there we go. Yay, I did something right. Okay, let's get this on the tree. And I'm gonna lift you up. Whoop. So we cannot put it there, but we can have it right in the middle. I might move some of the locks around when we get further into the series, but for now the Morris is right there. And that was the first lock in the 2020 Christmas series. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you will stay tuned for the video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.